Hi there. This is a quick demo of a small tool I've written called Tabbyhack, which is a thing to help people create quick tabs from their guitar playing. So it's running on GitHub, so if you just go to that URL shown here, and I'll give you a quick demo of it. So right now I'm going to give my fret min and max for my transcription, and I'm going to start the application. Having started it, it's now listening to my guitar. So I'm just going to start playing, and you can see and I'll stop it now. So what it's done here is it's when I played that very first note in between the 0 and 12th fret could be found on 3 candidate strings. So it could be played third fret on the high E string, 8th fret on B string, etc. So now that I've stopped it, it's up to me to indicate which are the correct frets and strings that I want. So for this one, so it started off on the 3rd fret, so I'm just going to use my cursor keys, and what happens is it leaves a green trail of the actual correct strings that I want. So da, do, 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 do. So there you go. So those are the actual tabs that I used, and when I click right tab, here it is. So this is just regular ASCII tab. I can copy that. Now it's copied onto my clipboard, and I can just paste that into any email or ASCII file or whatever that I want. Okay. So a couple of other quick notes here is that you can do, let's say I made a mistake here. In fact, I didn't want to use the 4th here. I actually wanted to jump to the B string, whatever. I can just go back here and edit it again and click right tab, and you can see that the tab gets updated. If I wanted to just make a change to one of these cells, say this 6, say they should have been played on the 10th fret for whatever reason of the G string, I can, here's some tips here. I can do T to toggle the cursor. Right now it's red, so it's going to overwrite. If I hit T, you can see it changes to blue. So now my cursor can move around. And so I can go here and I can hit T to toggle the cursor again, and now that's been updated. And if I click update, you're going to see the tab gets updated to 10th here. Last quick thing I can think of is that it is possible to make chords. And so the way that you do that is to go to the cell that you want to be a chord. So let's say that I wanted this 6 and this 9 to be in a chord. Then I would put the cursor over the 9 and I'd hit C. Excuse me. I would toggle it again to make it active, and then I would hit C in order to change. So now that that's blue. So this Tabbyhack can only pick up single notes at a time. It can't pick up, it can't like dissect a chord. That's just beyond the technology, really, for this simple application. So what you do is when you record stuff, you just need to specify the actual chords that you want. So now when I click right tab for this, it's going to put this 6 and 9 are going to be stacked on top of each other, just the way that you would expect. Who knows what that would sound like? Probably sound terrible, but whatever. So there you go. This code is live in prod, and I figured that it would be useful for just out of interest sake, and it also might be useful potentially for guitarists who just want to make some quick tab, maybe for students or for themselves, friends, families, and that's about it. So good luck with it. Hope you enjoy it, and check out some of the menu items on the side here. Thanks very much.